What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of US30. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity do we have in this indices. Now, as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we see a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis to see the general direction in the market. Then we'll come back to this time frame to see how we can trade. Now, starting with the monthly time frame, what you see that overall monthly market structure for US30 is bullish. If you start from here, you see that there is a from here there is a strong move followed by this correction. It's a deep correction during this pandemic time, and then the price went to this zone, has broken out of this zone, tested with this red candle, and then we have seen US30 created this high, came back to the same level where there was a previous swing high, tested as a support again, and we see uh, past month a bullish candle. So with all that mean that US30 tested this previous resistance swing high as a support and then get rejected. That means that we might see now a strong move to the upside on this one. So with that in mind, past month we have seen this bullish candle from this level of support. That means that we can expect now further push to the upside. As you can see, there is a monthly doji long we could see in the first move the price to come at least around to this level of resistance. So that can give us a significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame. Now looking at the weekly, we can see that the past week after this back-to-back 2 weeks rise, there's a narrow doji has been formed. Now this is what exactly I expected in my weekly forex forecast. Now what we see, as soon as the market opened, the price, the bulls now trying to create a bullish pattern. That means that we could potentially see an uprise that can give us a bullish move on the lower time frame. Now going to the daily time frame, you see that the price has created this price action pattern. There is an impulse correction. Now every time the price was creating a series of higher high and higher low, testing the previous support as a resistance. As you can see, previous resistance as support, as a support with this daily doji. And as soon as today market open, we have seen there is a gap opening and then retest to the downside. Now we see the bulls found support and started to push up from this important level of resistance. So with that in mind, if we go to the intraday or 4-hour time frame, we see that the price has created a inverted head and shoulder in this resistance, in this support, which acted here as a resistance, support here. Now there is an inverted head and shoulder, potential bullish move to the upside on US30. So how can you trade this instrument? Now as you can see, when you see an reversal pattern, kind of inverted head and shoulder, what you can expect, the price to come down again to test this previous resistance as a support and then to be rejected to the upside. So with that in mind, what we are doing currently, watching the price action for this zone, especially after the closing of this intraday candle, we could potentially see a retracement to the downside. If it give us enough rejection from this previous support zone, the previous resistance as a support, then we will consider going long on US30 to the upside according to the rules of our strategies with our students with a high risk to reward ratio. And if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button. And also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.